Have you ever tried to send a video from your PC to your phone? Emails may take forever. Cables are annoying. But there is a better way. No cloud, no USB, just FTP. First, make sure your phone and your PC are on the same network. On your phone, install a free app like Wi-Fi FTP Server for Android or FTP Manager for iPhone. Open it and tap Start. The app gives you an address that looks like this. Don't worry about the numbers, just keep it open on your phone and go to your PC. On your PC, open File Explorer. That's the folder icon on your taskbar. Click inside the address bar at the top. Type the FTP address exactly as it appears on your phone. Then press Enter. A folder opens. That's your phone storage. Now just drag any file, photo, a short video, a song into that folder. Wait a couple of seconds, then check your phone. The files are already there. Only do this on your home Wi-Fi, not on public networks. When you are done, go back to the app on your phone and tap Stop. That's it. No cables, no cloud uploads, just drag, drop, and done. If this saved you time, hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. We meet in the next.